Today we are gathered in this place to be joyful in celebration of Carter and Kelsey's wedding. It is true, unconditional love that shatters all limitations and replaces all fear with peace. Such unconditional love is the gift of marriage. By their commitment to marry each other, they are saying yes to friendship, yes to love, and yes to family.
These two kids have been around each other since they were 3 and 4 years old. So they've known each other all this time, but haven't really known each other. And to see them get as close as they are today warms my heart all the way to the core. Could not have molded, modeled, or picked a better husband to take care of my daughter, Carter Ware.
Feelings come alive at a wedding. There is an acute awareness that something special, something that goes to the very heart of life, is about to happen.
Kelsey, I love you so much. When I look into your eyes today, I see everything I envisioned and prayed for as a wife and as a mother. I know our children will have the same loving, caring, sincere, strong-headed personality that made me fall in love with you. You make me smile, you make me laugh, you make me want to wake up right after going to sleep just to give you a good morning kiss. Kelsey, you are my soulmate. You are my best friend and my love. I know we possess a love unlike any other that will last in eternity. The past years have been an amazing adventure. There are no lows that I cannot match with 1,000 highs, great times, sandy toes, or salty kisses.
Carter, standing here in front of you today, 7 years after we've started this journey together, I know without a doubt that I am the luckiest woman on the face of this earth. I love you so much more than I ever thought I could ever possibly love anybody, and you are so much more than I could have ever hoped for as a husband and as a future father to our children. You are absolutely, without any doubt, the love of my life and my only one and only.
We made it. Can I get an amen? Yes. A Category 4 hurricane. I mean, we lost a lot of things along the way. It's been an adventure, but a fun adventure.
From the bottom of all of our hearts here, I just want to wish y'all a happy marriage and many, many happy years to come. And without further ado,
Everybody raise their glasses for this beautiful couple.
Here's to Carter and Kelsey. Cheers.
We have been so lucky to be blessed with the families that we have and to have such incredible examples of what love is and what marriage is.
I truly don't think we'd be where we are today if it wouldn't have been for y'all and showing us what true love really is. vow to tell you I love you with a kiss every day. I vow to give you my whole heart, unconditional love, and undying devotion. I vow to love you for who you are and never ask you to be more than you are. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with the love of my life.
I vow to brave the good and the bad times with you, and even when we have hurricanes ruin our wedding. I vow to be the best wife that I could possibly be to you, and the best mother to our future children. I vow to have fun with you, and to flirt with you, and to make jokes with you every single day for the rest of our lives. Carter, I love you with every fiber of my being, every fiber. And I could not be more excited or proud to finally get to become your wife. I love you.
Do I get to kiss her yet?
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Carter Warnock.